What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's actually really hot today. It's like 112 degrees in the IE right now, and it's not just hot, but it's very humid. And I was just gonna put on my clears, my rear bumper clears, cause that shit's ugly. Shout out to Don for giving me these at the meet. If you guys haven't seen the Iceyyyboyz meet, go check it out. The link will be up here. These clears that Don gave me, shout out to the homie. It's kind of funny because Calvin gave me the front ones because he really hated how I had the amber ones. But shout out to him for giving me those too. And yeah, shout out to the homie Don for the rears, because he said that he was gonna give it to me for the longest time, and he finally gave it to me. Oh man, that shit would look clean. But I'm pretty sure I gotta take off the rear wheels. Oh Jesus. Anyways, but yeah, I probably have to take off the rear wheels to take off the whole entire rear bumper. But honestly, I am not about to do that. It is way too fucking hot. But I still have Bob's car. Today, me and Dallas are supposed to go check out a couple cars, but we don't know yet because the weather is actually fucking horrible. It's kind of like a hot weather just makes you want to just stay at home in the AC doing nothing. The thing is, you guys know I'm Viet and my parents don't believe in AC, but fuck yeah, it's actually fucking hot, and I feel like they miss Vietnam, so they don't even turn it on. So yeah, they don't believe in AC, I guess. But right now I'm probably gonna wash this car for Bob because it's pretty filthy. If you guys haven't seen it, it's really bad. So I'm probably clean it, do a little wax, small wax for him. Oh man, the weather, the degrees that changes from me in the garage and outside the driveway, it's crazy, man. It's hot. So yeah, I kind of lied. I'm not gonna wash it. It's fucking way too hot to be washing that car, and it's weird because it's fucking cloudy, but it's hot as shit. It looks like it's about to rain, bro. Like, what the fuck? Where all these clouds come from? And it's windy? Jeez, man. Fuck that IE.
I'm gonna crack a cold one for the boys.
Hey, Hoffman, is it screws?
Cracking a cold one.
Hey, I don't think they're screws, bro. They're not screws.
For what?
No, in here. Look. Look inside it.
I know, I didn't say it was screws.
Oh, then what is it?
Nothing, you just pop it out.
You just pull it out?
You gotta undo the little latch thing, like for the light. Like, twist that off, and then it just like should pop out of the bumper. Okay. Alright, ready? Oh, rip, do you need it?
Oh, shit, I don't know. Fuck. I don't know. No, my accent fucking just came out. Wow, fucking rip.
Broke it.
Hoffman D breaking my shit again, like always. But anyways, I guess there's no... Oh, there isn't. Oh yeah, they're like tabs where you just like... in.
Ah, it hurts, bro. This doesn't help. I'm not trying to get this infected, dog. You should be doing this.
So Dallas fell off his bike. His dirt bike. He's all fucking... Look at his elbow. Here. So this screw is like a fucking square. It gets stuck right there. You're supposed to... So for this one, they would do like that. Hoffman. See? And then you just get this... It's like a washer and like a bolt. Fuck him. Fuck him! Hey, shout out to Don. Oh, fuck. What kind of fitment is this, Don? What kind of fitment is this?
There, it fits!
It's popping out. Look at my pussy.
Yeah, cause it's not in all the way.
Oh,
bruh.
Dude, look at my thunder thighs.
Look how white they are. Same.
Is that the only screw? Yeah, I guess so.
Bro, I'm a fire recorder. Videographer. Alright, so now he's screwing that bitch in.
Shit.
I don't know how you could fit your hand back there.
Cause I'm Asian, bro. AZN. It's the life for me. Oh.
Does that mean something else?
You're a fool. Pokes out a little, bro.
You can barely even oh, rip. That's a lot.
Pokes out a lot. Is this the right side? Yeah, this is the right side. This bulb is not coming out. Fucking hate this shit. You're fucking ah.
The struggle is real, bro. And it's like 1 million degrees out and it looks like it's about to rain. Ooh. That's nice.
Ah.
Ooh, this car's even better though. Brand new headlights.
Give up. I'm just gonna take the bulb out. The bulb is bright as fucking. Well, I guess I'll put it like that.
Is it locked in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Damn, this thing's broke.
That's why I said you gotta get a new tab, bro. You'd kind of broke his tab. Aww. Dude, I need one of these for my car. This one, my taillight keeps flopping everywhere.
So yeah, just put the tail light in. Side markers look great, but the bumper's hanging like fucking shit. Like where this little tab thing is, it's supposed to have like a sliding where you put it in so it can hold up better. And what the fuck is this? The fuck? My car's just falling apart after this rear taillight thing. Dude, it's all fucked up. But it looks great! Other than that. A1 sauce, huh? Do the right side, but this side is actually intact. So I'm gonna see if I could go underneath and do it from there. But I highly doubt I could, but let's see. Never know. And it's a 10 mil. And let's just hope everything goes right.
I was right.
Yeah, I wanna take the bumper off.
I told you.
Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it, fucker.
Bro. Are you all good?
Am I tightening? Dude, who tightens this? Dude, it's tight. It's super tight.
The struggle is real.
Well, you don't want to take off your fucking rear bumper.
And the moment of truth.
If you have small hands, you could take off your side markers without taking off your rear bumper. But don't do it in 117-degree weather. Because I'm dying. I got it! Ah.
Datali, 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 da.
The right side now. Going in. Just like so, hopefully. I hope
Bro,
this fits because
what the fuck are you doing?
I'm putting in the fucking light first, fool.
You suck.
You were the one who broke my other one. Right. That is right.
Gang shit, bro. Gang shit. Yeah, gang. Gang shit.
Now we're putting the fucking bolt back in. No, we're not. Oh, wrecked.
R.I.P. Oh, I can't get that low. My body tells me no, but my mind's telling me yeah. Bro. No, like, don't break that.
I can't grab it.
But don't break that thing.
Oh, I know that. Why would I break it when I need it?
Oh, sick. That's custom. Hit him up for your custom LED.
Fuck!
12, nigga! 12. Oh, you broke it.
Oh, it still didn't come out. Fuck. There, I got it. Fuck.
Says he got it.
That fitment though, that bothers me. Fuck it.
Well, that's that.
So that's how you put in some clear side markers without putting on the bumper. You gotta have small hands and a small dick. Make sure you know that. But my left side was already fucked off, so we're good to go.
Lil Dick Gang.
Little dick gang. All you gotta do is have small hands. 10 millimeter socket and some fucking heat. Pussy.
So after all of this nonsense, Josh goes to look at his fucking toolbox and we find this.
Fuck you, Don, for hiding it from me.
It fell out of the side marker.
Out of it when I picked it up. Fucking me. Fuck on me, man. Fuck on me, man. Now the bay has all chrome all around. Hell yeah. Well, let me close this up. Damn, that shit's dusty as fuck. I haven't washed it for a while. But look at that. Super clean. Great. Without taking off the rear bumper though. You gotta have skills. Look how thin my arm is. Fucking ripped though. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Or bye. Kills me. Say bye to the bay. So right now me and Dallas are probably gonna go to look at a car. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but we'll find out. But we might switch cars right now because Dallas doesn't want to drive the GS like always. And I gotta return the MR2 soon because I don't want to be driving Bob's car all the time, you know. And shout out to Bob for letting me borrow the MR2. He's a great guy. What's up, y'all? We're actually in Anaheim right now, Anaheim Hills. We just checked out an IS. It was pretty cool because it was rare because it didn't have a sunroof, and yeah, you rarely see that. Oh, salad.
Yeah.
What was wrong with the car though?
Fucked up!
But anyways, yeah, it leaked like a fuckload of oil, and the guy didn't have plates on it. Even though we bought a car without plates. It was Dallas's GS, which was kind of bad because it was like what, $700 in late fees.
Yeah, I got it for really cheap, but then I had to pay $700.
Yeah, and it wasn't registered since what, 2012? 2012, yeah.
So they were riding dirty for like 8 years, bro.
Yeah, so yeah, the IS was tight because I wanted it because it had no sunroof. It was a 5-speed, and it drove fine, but I don't know, I just had a very bad vibe in the car, and the dude was kind of creepy. Right now we're heading home, and I guess we're just gonna, or I'm just gonna keep waiting.
Take the L.
L number 2. But I'm just gonna yeah, we're just gonna have to do the waiting game and just keep looking. Right now, I'm looking for an is300, 5-speed or automatic, depending on how clean it is.
No, 5-speed.
5-speed, yeah, because he doesn't want to drift alone if his car starts. Or a LS400. That's really mainly what I'm looking for. But right now we're in the Volt. Yo, check this shit out. It's like a fucking spaceship. When do you ever see a white interior dash area? Even the fucking leather. Oh, this is not leather. It's plastic. It's plastic. Shiny. But anyways, we're gonna head home. So yeah, later. What's going on, guys? Just got home from looking at the cars. Well, just one car. But anyways, I mean, it was a hit or miss, but of course, I took the L again. It's not gonna be like first time I find a car and I'm gonna buy it right away, you know? I'm just looking for that gem again, you know? Just like how I found that wagon. But, you know, we don't always get that lucky. And I'm probably gonna end the video here, guys, because I'm pretty tired. And been a long day. And kind of sucks because it's taking me forever just to find the right car. But you know what? It'll be good on the long run, right? I also updated new stickers on the website, so head to the website. I'll put the link up here, or is it right here? But anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys liked the rear side marker, rear bumper side marker, the clear. Yeah, it was actually really hot. I wasn't planning to do it today because it was fucking way too hot, but we had nothing to do and fuck it. But I didn't want to take off my rear bumper, so that's one way to take it off. Having small hands, bro. It looks like I cut myself. Look, looks like I'm emo now. Focus. But yeah, the fucking side of the corner of the bumper kept scratching me. Not so much on this side, but yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate all the love, and I'll see you guys next time.